Good morning guys, it's a beautiful Saturday morning here at Noon Cafe in Mendez, Cavite. And welcome again to my vlog at samahan nyo today at mag-breakfast tayo. So ito ang entrance nila sa Noon Cafe here in Mendez. So this is their small cafe with their mini garden and table setup. Masarap dito maliwalas at the same time Tagaytay weather na siya, malamig. This is their small cafe. Also sell cakes. Sama ko ang mga doggies. Clover, Chloe. So anong ma-order natin dito? Let's check it out. Kung anong ating pwedeng kainin for breakfast. Merong eggs benitapa. Merong eggs benitapa. May mga pasta sila. Parang gusto ko tong Triple Joe's breakfast potatoes. American cool weather actually. Kasi malapit na tayo sa Tagaytay. So this is our breakfast for today. Meron tayong sausage, bacon, hash brown, eggs, beans, tomatoes, bread, and strawberry smoothie. Let's eat. Itlog, beans, pork and beans. Sarap. So my breakfast is priced at 280 pesos. It's an American breakfast. Sarap naman. Sulit na. Bacon. And premium sausage. Check natin itong smoothie nila. Sarap. Noon Cafe here in Mendez, Cavite. So that's it for today's video. Nakapag-breakfast na tayo. See you on my next vlog. Bye!